Namaste friends. Today we are going to learn the poem unit number 1.3 Basket Full of Moonlight. It is actually originally in Dogri language, but it is translated by Sunil Sharma. Now we are going to complete chit chat activities from the poem. Now we are going to complete chit chat activity from the poem. Here are some questions and you may answer as you like. First, did you like to hear bedtime stories when you were a child? Some of you can answer, when I was a child, I liked to hear bedtime stories. Do you understand? Next, who usually told you bedtime stories? Some of you from say, my grandmother or my grandfather usually told me bedtime stories. Next, why did you like them? You can say, I liked them because they were interesting, they were entertaining, they taught us morals. Okay? Next, do you still like to hear those stories again? You can answer, yes, I still like to hear those stories again. In this way, we can handle chit-chat activity between one or two students. Next, we can see second activity, the procedure of planting a tree. What are the steps there? First step may be choosing good seeds of plant. Next, second step, digging in the ground. Third step, putting seeds in the loose soil. Then adding manure. After that, filling it in the pit. Then watering it and taking good care of it. In this way, we can plant a tree. Do you understand the procedure of planting a tree? Next one. After that, there is activity, what your father and mother do for your family. According to APJ Abdul Kalam, parents are the best role models and they do everything for us. First of all, we can know what father does for us or father does for a family. Father works hard to earn a living. He performs duties as the head of the family. He guides in children's problems and tries to solve them. Father is a role model of the whole family members. Father decides the ways of children's life or careers according to their talents. Next, he takes most of the decisions for the well-being of family members. In this way, father takes care of the family. Do you understand the role of father in our family? Now we are going to learn what mother does for the family. It is well said that mother is the best manager, ideal manager. Why it is so? Because she keeps the house clean and tidy. She cooks tasty dishes for everyone in the family. She brings up children. But how? With love and affection. She takes care of everyone in the family. When you are ill, she takes you to the doctor. She takes care of you. She gives you medicines. She does everything for you. She looks after children's not only education but also career also. Sometimes she takes a job to meet the expenses. एक्सपेन्सेस म्हणजे काय? आपल्या घरातील घर खर्च भागवण्यासाठी ती कधी कधी एखादं कामसुद्धा स्वीकारते, नोकरीसुद्धा स्वीकारते. नाऊ वी आर गोइंग टू रीड द पॉइंट. लिसन केअरफुली. द नरेटर इज अ स्मॉल बॉय. नाऊ लिसन केअरफुली. 1.3. Now, listen children. 1.3. Basket full of moonlight. O moon, give me moonlight. Basket full or 2 baskets full with seeds of moonlight. From the city to my village, on the sides of the path, I want to so many small moons of light. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. It becomes dark on its way back as snakes and scorpions. Neither bus nor cart plies. Here plies means travels regularly over a route. ये एजा करने. When my father returns home, I am asleep. And he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan. Loan means कर्ज. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. Now we are going to learn the summary of the poem. So, now we are going to learn something about the poem. First, who is the speaker in the poem? The speaker of the poem is a small boy. Where does he live? He lives in a village. What is his father? His father is a laborer. Whom does the boy address? The boy addresses the moon. Why does the boy addresses the moon? The boy addresses the moon and he requests the moon to give him 1 or 2 basketful of seeds of moonlight. The boy wishes to sow small moons of light along the paths from the city to the village. We understand? The people from the whole village go to the city to work, but they return to the village late evening. It becomes dark on their way back. The village is far away from the city. The road of the village is dangerous because there are snakes and scorpions on the way. There is no facility of traveling from the village to the city. There are no bus or cart from the city to the village. People have to walk to the city every day. The boy wants his father to say something because his father goes early in the morning to work to the city and he returns late night when the boy is asleep. The boy requests the moon to give him a basket full of moonlight on loan. Loan means karzaun. He wants to light the dark path for the village people because they return home late in the evening and it was very dark. So it is very dangerous to walk on the road. So the boy especially requests the moon to give him basket full of moonlight, especially for his father. He wants his father to return home early because he wants to tell his father fairy tales and stories. He wants to sow seeds of moonlight to the sides of the path and light up the path for the villagers forever. In the poem, the boy highlights the hardships faced by the village people. Now, in the poem, we have to learn some another activities. Which are these activities? Figures of speech. आपल्याला माहित आहे figures of speech अलंकार. First, apostrophe. What is the example of apostrophe? O moon, give me, O moon. The boy addresses the moon. So, it is called apostrophe. Another, alliteration. What are the examples of alliteration? Give me moonlight. You can see M. Sound M is repeated pleasingly. Small moons of light. Here S. Sound S is repeated pleasingly. Snakes and scorpions. Which sound is repeated here? Sound S is repeated here. And another example of alliteration is I want to sow seeds of moon. Here also sound S is repeated pleasingly. These are the examples of alliteration. Next, antithesis. Virodhavas. From the city to my village. City and village, they are opposite words. So it is example of antithesis. What is another example of antithesis? I want to light the dark route. Here you can see two words are there, light and dark. They are opposite words. So it is antithesis figure of speech. Repetition means words are repeated pleasingly. For example, first, O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight. Another example of repetition, small moons of light. Here, word small is repeated pleasingly. Next, figure of speech, tautology. Tautology means same meaning words are repeated. Similar words are there. You can see tales and stories. These two words are similar to each other. So it is called tautology figure of speech. Next, synecdoche. याला निर्देशक अलंकार असं म्हणतात. For example, the whole village goes to the city daily to work. Here you can see whole village. जे संपूर्ण गावाचा इथं उल्लेख झालेला आहे. इट इज कॉल्ड सायनेक्डॉच, निर्देशक अलंकार. अंडरस्टँड दिस फिगर ऑफ स्पीच? We are going to learn the describing words used for the following nouns. Here describing words means adjectives. Adjective means विशेषण and nouns म्हणजे नाम. दिलेल्या नामांसाठी कोणती विशेषणे या कवितेमध्ये आलेली आहेत. फॉर एक्झाम्पल moons, which is the describing word small moons. Next root. How is the root? Tough root, dark root. These are adjectives or describing words. Next village, whole or quiet. These words describe the village. So these are describing words. Morning, early is a describing word for morning. Next baskets. How many baskets? 2 baskets. 2 is a describing word. Tales. What kind of tales? Fairy tales म्हणजे परिकथा. What is it? Write as many words as you can using FUL as suffix. You know that suffix means शब्दाच्या नंतर येणारे प्रत्यय. Here we are going to learn some examples of suffix. But which suffix? FUL suffix. For example, basket, basketful. Bucket, bucketful. Hand, handful. Spoon, spoonful. Color, colorful. Pocket, pocketful. Mouth, mouthful. Sack, sackful. House, houseful. Then pot, potful. These activities we can learn from the poem also. Now we can learn so many activities from the poem. There is a question in your question paper. The poem is for comprehension and poem. Now we are going to learn how to appreciate the poem. Which points are there for appreciation? First point is title. Second point is name of the poet. Third point is rhyme scheme of the poem. Fourth point is figures of speech. And point number 5, theme or central idea of the poem. In your question paper, there is 1.5 mark for title, 1.5 mark for name of the poet, 1 mark for rhyme scheme, 1 mark for figure of speech, and 2 marks are for theme or central idea. Now you can see on the blackboard how can we write appreciation of the poem. Look here, title. You can write the basket full of moonlight, but it is important for you to write in full sentence. How? The title of the poem is Basket Full of Moonlight. Do you understand? Next point, name of the poet. You can write the name of the poet is Sunil Sharma, or you can write in this way, Sunil Sharma translated the poem from Dogri language. It is also correct. Next, rhyme scheme. You know that there is no rhyme scheme in the poem. The poem is a free verse. In short, the poem is open form of poetry. You can write in this way. Which figures of speech are mentioned in the poem? For example, you can write figure of speech, alliteration and repetition. But you have to write example of alliteration and repetition. In the poem, for example, I want to show many small moons of light. It is an example of alliteration as well as repetition. Alliteration, sound S is repeated pleasingly, and repetition, the word small is repeated pleasingly. So you have to write not only names of the figures of speech, but also you have to write example of figure of speech. It is necessary for you to get good marks. Now how can you write theme or central idea? You have to write theme or central idea in 2 or 4 sentences, in short and simple sentences. For example, the child addresses the moon. He requests the moon to give him 1 or 2 basketful of seeds of moonlight on loan. He wishes to light the dark path from his village to his city. The villagers can go to work by the path. In this way, you can comprehend as well as appreciate the poem. अशा पद्धतीनं तुम्ही कवितेचं कॉम्प्रिहेन्शन आणि ॲप्रिशिएशन ही करू शकता आणि you can get good marks in your exam also. Thank you very much. In this way you can write comprehension as well as appreciation of the poem and you will get good marks. Thank you.